Hey ladies, today I want to share something powerful. Something most women were never taught. And that is, men don't fall in love just because of how you look. They fall for how you make them feel. Think about it. Some of the most captivating women aren't the most classically beautiful. They've got something else, something you can't see but you feel. They carry an energy that pulls men in without even trying. So the real question becomes, what kind of energy actually makes a man fall in love? What makes him crave your presence beyond just attraction? If you're new here today, I'm going to show you 3 types of energy that can create a deep connection between you and a man. But let me be honest, these aren't tricks. You can't fake them for a weekend. These are real habits that take practice and awareness. Once they become part of who you are, men will naturally be drawn to you, without you needing to chase. Let's dive in. A lot of women think talking constantly keeps a man interested. But your silence, when it's genuine, is just as powerful as your words. Why? Because silence makes him wonder. It sparks curiosity. And curiosity creates emotional pull. When you're not always available or explaining your every move, you create mystery. He'll start asking himself, where is she? What's she doing? Is she thinking about me? And often he'll imagine you're out enjoying your life, even if you're just at home relaxing. But here's the catch. Silence only works when it's real. If you're sitting around, anxiously waiting for him to message you, he'll feel that. It won't create attraction. It will come across as neediness. One of my clients went through this. Her boyfriend asked for some space. She was about to send a long emotional message. Instead, I told her to simply reply, okay, just one word. 3 days later, he messaged her, just one word. Hey! She wanted to reply, hey! How are you? I've missed you, but I told her, just say hi. One word, no chasing. Eventually they met up. He asked, why are you acting so distant? She calmly said, you asked for space, so I've been chilling with friends, relaxing. And boom! He came closer again, saying he missed her, he'd been thinking and wanted to reconnect. Why? Because she gave him room to miss her. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Why should we play games? But this isn't about games. It's about building a lifestyle that doesn't revolve around anyone else. Once silence becomes part of your confidence and self-respect, it's no longer a tactic, it's just who you are. Nothing kills attraction faster than making a guy feel like he's being interviewed. If he feels judged all the time, like every word he says is being analyzed, he won't stick around for long. Men want to enjoy being around you, and fun doesn't mean you can't be serious, it means you don't always lead with pressure. Let me give you a personal story. I was once 20 minutes late to a date. I'm usually super punctual, but there was a big traffic jam. I showed up expecting her to be upset. I said, I'm so sorry I'm late, there was a major accident. She smiled and said, it's okay, you don't need to lie, I know you were just fixing your hair for me. Just like that, the tension disappeared. That little playful joke turned a stressful moment into a fun one. We ended up laughing and having a great time. The energy was light, warm, and memorable. But imagine if she had responded with cold sarcasm or scolded me for being late. That date would have had a totally different vibe. Some women worry, if I'm too playful, will he take me seriously? Yes, he will. In fact, when a woman is naturally fun and suddenly switches to being serious about something, a man listens more closely. So remember, playfulness puts a man at ease. And when he feels relaxed and joyful around you, he starts linking those positive emotions with you. That's often the first step toward falling in love. You've probably heard people say, men only chase women who make them feel bad. And while men sometimes do chase emotionally unavailable women, it's not because of the rejection, it's because they feel challenged. But there's a healthier, more powerful version of that, inspiration. Men are naturally wired to strive, to grow, to achieve. When a woman believes in a man, not by nagging him but by seeing his potential, something inside him ignites. He starts thinking, how can I be the kind of man she sees in me? How can I grow, improve, impress her? Not because I have to, but because I want to. Now let's be clear, inspiring him doesn't mean trying to fix him or shape him into your dream guy. It means reflecting his best qualities back to him. So instead of saying you never stick to anything, you might say, I know that when you're committed, you really make things happen. Do you want to commit to this or not? Or instead of you don't take anything seriously, try, I feel really safe when you're consistent. It's super attractive. See the difference? One tears down, the other lifts him up while still setting boundaries. When a man feels like he's becoming a better version of himself around you, he doesn't want to let that go because deep down, every man wants to feel seen, respected, and capable. Alright ladies, so here's the takeaway. It's not about making a man fall in love. It's about building a life so full, so beautiful and so self-loving, that he wants to be part of it. The most magnetic women don't go out searching for love to feel whole. They attract love by being whole already. So when you stop needing validation and instead live with the energy of mystery, joy, and inspiration, you naturally attract a man who wants to love you, invest in you, and stay by your side. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I'm honored to be part of your journey in self-love, dating, and healthy relationships. Remember, if you want different results in love, you've got to grow into a different version of yourself. Have an amazing day.